nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think it up, let it think. Hey, let it think it up, let it think, let it think.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make this quick and easy salami snack. Here are the ingredients that we need. Cut the bell pepper in half and add salami and cream cheese. After preheating the air fryer, place baking paper in the basket. Then air fry the salami, snack at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, flatten the cream cheese using a spoon, then add salt and pepper on top. We now have our super yummy snack. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.